from Group 2 consisting of Chelsea,
Windy,
Samuel.
We are here to provide a CPU assembly tutorial video.
First, install to the heatsink on the motherboard.
open the lock slot, press the RAM lock. Put the motherboard in the casing and lock it with a screw.
Input the power supply to the casing and lock using screws. Attach the fan to the case using the two screws.
Attach the hard disk to the side of the motherboard using screw.
Connect the cable on the CPU component. Install two screws on the case cover. Connect the power supply cable to the main.